In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create credit note in QuickBooks. A credit note, sometimes called a credit memo, is what you issue when a customer returns an item, you correct an overcharge, or you want to reduce the balance on an existing invoice. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can create one confidently and send it to your customer. First, open QuickBooks online and sign in to your company. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu. From there, open the Create or New menu. In the Customers section, choose Credit Note. This opens the credit note form where you'll enter the details of the adjustment. At the top, select the customer you're issuing the credit to. This ensures the credit will be available to apply against that customer's current or future invoices. If you plan to email the credit note, add the customer's email address so QuickBooks can send it directly. You can also fill in the billing address to keep your records complete and make the document look professional. Next, set the credit note date. Use the date you want the credit to post to your books, typically the date you process the return or approve the adjustment. If you track service dates, add a service date to reflect when the original product or service was provided. This is optional but helpful for reporting and customer clarity. Now add the product or service you're crediting. Choose the correct item so the right income account is adjusted and your inventory, if applicable, stays accurate. In the description field, clearly explain why you're issuing the credit, such as a return, price adjustment, or courtesy credit, so anyone reviewing the transaction understands the context. Enter the quantity you're crediting and the rate. QuickBooks will calculate the amount automatically based on those entries. If your situation requires a specific total instead of a calculated one, you can adjust the amount field directly to match the exact credit you intend to give. Review everything carefully. Confirm the customer name, email, dates, line items, and the final amount. Accuracy here prevents posting errors and avoids confusion when the credit is applied to an invoice. When you're satisfied, select Save and Send. QuickBooks will record the credit note in your books and prepare an email to your customer with a PDF copy. You can personalize the message before sending if you'd like. That's it. Your credit note is created and ready to be applied to open invoices or used for future purchases by that customer.